island nation in the heart of the Mediterranean. Malta is famous for its crystal-clear waters, ancient history, and vibrant culture. Its capital city, Valletta, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Built by the Knights of St. John, it's filled with Baroque architecture, grand fortresses, and breathtaking harbor views. Although small in size, Malta is full of wonders, from temples older than the pyramids to golden beaches, lively festivals, and delicious Mediterranean cuisine. Day or night, rain or shine, Malta's charm never fades. If you've ever been here, hit like and share your experience in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more travel adventures.